If you ignore this, don't complain about your body later. You want to build a body like this without ever leaving your room? I got you. No gym, no fancy equipment, just discipline. All you need is a backpack, some books, and a place to hang. But here's the rule most people miss. Progressive overload. That just means every workout gets a little harder. More reps, more weight in the backpack, more control. Small upgrades every session equals big results over time. We're training full body because at home it gives the best results with the least equipment. Schedule is simple. 1 day on, 1 day off. Train Monday, rest Tuesday. Train Wednesday, repeat. 2 sets per exercise. First set close to failure. Second set all the way to failure. Pick a weight where you can only do 6 to 10 reps. Now here's the routine. Pull-ups, back and biceps at the same time. Chest to the bar, core tight. Can't do pull-ups yet? Jump up and slowly lower yourself down. Too easy? Throw on the backpack. Pike push-ups. One of the best shoulder builders at home. Hips high, head down, push up like a vertical push-up. Do this consistently and your shoulders will blow up. Lateral raises. Dumbbell or backpack. Lift your arms to shoulder height like you're making a T. Slow and controlled. This builds those wide athletic shoulders. Decline push-ups. Feet on a chair or bed. This smokes your upper chest where most people are weak. Too easy? Add the backpack. Chair dips. 2 chairs. Lower down. Push up. Hits chest and triceps hard. Stay upright to focus more on triceps. Backpack curls. Load your bag with books. Curl it up slow and controlled. No swinging. Let your biceps do the work. Pistol squats. 1 leg, full control. Quads, glutes, and balance all at once. Too hard? Hold on to a wall. Single leg RDL. Stand on 1 leg, hinge at the hips, lower the weight down. Perfect for hamstrings and glutes. Hanging knee raises. Hang from the bar and bring your knees to your chest. This builds strong lower abs and core. Too hard? Start on the floor. And that's the routine. Stick to 1 day on, 1 day off, and watch your body get stronger, leaner, and way more athletic. And if you want more workouts like this, subscribe to Neuromind.